Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, and kind of close to what I was talking about, not quite. I mean, yesterday I talked about a potential double bottom, and I mean, yeah, this morning the price got somewhat around that area, but like I said, I'm not gonna, that's a little bit too much of a stretch. So with that being said, I do still like the potential, double bottom play, that could roll out tomorrow, especially, if this little miniature area of support is broken. So what do I mean by miniature area of resistance? Well, today there's this little trend line that formed right here. So yeah, the bulls showed a little bit of strength right here in regards to slowly pushing the price upwards. But as far as, does that really mean anything? I'm pretty skeptical of it. And like I said, in my opinion, if the price can push down through there, which would not be shocking, the price could still come down to right around 463, which is this previous low right here, and then create, a nice double bottom setup. So that seems to be in play, but the first thing that's going to need to happen for that to be in play is, again, for this little miniature area of support, the bears are going to have to press down through it. Now, in the event maybe this trend line actually does have some decent strength behind it, and maybe the bulls are making enough strength there, and this is some sort of little miniature leading indicator that a bigger type bounce is to come. In the event there is any sort of bounce, then nothing new here for those of you that watched yesterday's video. The key levels of resistance are still going to be mainly right up here around the $5 mark, being represented by that red line there. And then if things get really crazy up there around 535, but one step at a time, that first step would be once again, not only holding above the orange line, but then also breaking up through the $5 mark. So interesting setup. And I know that, this one is a very popular one out among the traders because it can move pretty quick. But like I said, I still think that the double bottom play could be in play here. But we'll see what happens and see if the price can break through this orange line or not. So let's see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.